Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best gel paint is probably one of the most exciting innovations in the nail art world, offering a vibrant and long-lasting finish that's hard to beat. Today, we're diving deep into the world of gel paints, exploring everything from the latest color trends to application techniques that will elevate your nail game. Get ready to discover how these amazing products can transform your nails into stunning works of art, all from the comfort of your own home. Number 5. Saviland 6-Color Spider Gel with Brushes. Introducing the Saviland Spider Gel, a revolutionary product for stunning nail designs. This set includes 6 vibrant colors and nail art brushes, perfect for creating intricate lines and patterns. It's the easiest way to achieve professional-looking nails. Inside, you'll find 6 bottles of spider gel and 3 nail art brushes, all elegantly presented. The gel allows you to draw the straightest lines imaginable. Remember to use it with a base and top coat, and cure it under a UV LED lamp. Enjoy long-lasting, beautiful nail art with this high-elasticity, high-pigment gel. The unique formula ensures your manicure will last for 28 days or more. It's designed to give you a unique and durable gel nail design. The gel has a thick, sticky consistency that's easy to work with. A little goes a long way, allowing you to draw lines quickly and effortlessly. Just touch it with a toothpick or similar tool, and watch the magic happen. Made with natural resin, this gel is healthy, low odor, and non-toxic. It's suitable for all nail types, including natural, UV gel, false, and acrylic nails. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals. Whether you're a nail art enthusiast or a professional, this product is for you. It's ideal for home use or in a salon, helping you create beautiful and charming nails. Get ready to elevate your nail game. What we like. This spider gel gives you the straightest lines you've ever seen. Its high elasticity and beginner-friendly nature make it perfect for intricate designs. If you're looking to create stunning web designs or geometric patterns with ease, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. The colors are highly pigmented. The gel paints are easy to use. The gel paints are great for doing fine line work. Number 4. Beetles 12 Colors Gel Liner Nail Polish Set. This Beetles gel liner set is perfect for creating those popular squiggly lines and abstract nail art designs. It also works great for French tips. The built-in thin brushes make it easy to add details and lines. You'll receive 12 beautiful pastel colors, including pink, nude, blue, purple, and more. Each bottle contains 0.17 fl of gel polish, giving you everything you need for a salon-quality manicure at home. This set is an ideal gift for any occasion, such as birthdays or holidays. It's suitable for both beginners and professional nail therapists, allowing anyone to enjoy beautiful nail art. The gel polish is designed to last for 21+ days with a perfect shine when applied correctly. Remember to use a base and top coat, and cure it under an LED UV lamp for 60 to 120 seconds. The formula is made with 9 toxin-free ingredients, making it healthy and low odor. It doesn't contain harsh ingredients that could damage your nails, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience. What we like. This gel liner set is perfect for those trendy squiggly lines and abstract art. The built-in thin brushes make it easy to add details and lines. If you are looking for a set that is easy to apply and gives you a salon-quality manicure at home, you should consider this. What people say. The colors all complement each other. The gels are perfect for making cute designs for special occasions. They're very nice, the color comes through nicely and the tip of the brush is good. Number 3. Saviland 12 Colors Nail Art Pen Set. Introducing the Saviland 12 Colors Nail Art Pen Set. These pens are perfect for creating intricate designs and adding detailed touches to your nails. With this set, you can easily achieve professional-looking nail art at home. Each pen features a fine tip for precise application. The rich, opaque pigment ensures that every stroke is bold and vibrant. This allows you to create stunning nail art designs that truly stand out. From simple polka dots and stripes to complex designs like flowers and animals, this set is versatile. It's great for creating stunning nail art for any occasion. You can let your imagination run wild. These nail polish pens are excellent for both enthusiasts and professionals. The fine tips and smooth paint flow make intricate designs easy. Simply shake, press, and start creating your nail art. The designs created with these pens are long-lasting and durable. They won't chip or fade, even with exposure to water or heat. This ensures your nail art stays vibrant for longer. Remember to keep the pens tightly capped when not in use. If you have any questions, we're here to help. We are happy to assist you with any inquiries about this nail art pen set. What we like. These nail art pens allow for precise and controlled application, perfect for detailed designs. The bold and vibrant colors ensure your nail art stands out. If you love creating intricate designs at home, this set will help you achieve professional-looking results with ease. What people say. The colors are highly pigmented and apply smoothly. The gel paints are perfect for creating intricate nail art designs. The product is easy to use and provides a long-lasting finish. Number 2. Saviland 48 Colors Gel Paint Kit. This kit offers a vast array of colors for your nail art. It includes 48 vibrant gel paint colors, perfect for any design you can imagine. Explore endless possibilities with this versatile set. The kit comes with a set of 15 nail art brushes. These brushes are designed for detailed work, allowing you to create intricate designs with ease. They are suitable for all skill levels. With this kit, you can create a variety of nail art designs. From simple coloring to detailed drawings, it allows you to express your creativity. The results are long-lasting and glossy. The gel polish is made with safe and odorless ingredients. It's gentle on your nails and helps maintain their shine. With proper application, your nail art can last for weeks. This nail art kit is beautifully packaged, making it a great gift. It's suitable for any occasion, whether it's a birthday or a holiday. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced nail artists. What we like. This gel paint kit offers a wide array of 48 colors and 15 brushes, perfect for any design. It ensures lasting glossy results for up to 28 days. If you are a DIY enthusiast or a professional, this versatile kit will elevate your nail art game. What people say. I used the blue, pink, white, and black paint for this project. I also would say it has a weird garlicky smell or something of that. Other than that, it paints pretty well and even layers. I love these colors I used in my palette for nail art, and they were easy and went on smoothly. Using paint pots to paint flowers and designs on nails is a lot easier than using normal nail polish bottles. They apply very well and cure beautifully. They are very easy to work with. Number 1. Mia's Secret Snow White Gel Paint. Introducing the Mia's Secret Snow White Gel Paint. This product is perfect for both personal and professional use. It's designed to give you beautiful, salon-quality nails. The application is easy and hassle-free. You can achieve stunning results without any complicated steps. It's a simple way to elevate your nail game. This gel paint works great with acrylic nails. It provides a smooth and even finish, enhancing the overall look. It's a great choice for creating long-lasting nail designs. The gel paint is curable under UV or LED lamps. This ensures a durable and long-lasting finish. The curing process sets the paint, making it resistant to chipping. With Mia's Secret, you can achieve salon-quality nails at affordable prices. It offers a professional finish without the professional price tag. This allows you to enjoy beautiful nails without breaking the bank. What we like. This gel paint is great for both personal and professional use. It is easy to use and provides long-lasting, salon-quality nails. If you want a hassle-free experience with beautiful results, this is a great choice. What people say. The perfect viscosity, the perfect pigmentation, really good coverage, a little bit goes a long way, really easy to use. Quando hago los dibujos no se me corren y puedo trabajar confiada. Mangible con pigmentation bien blanca trae bastante producto. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.